morning, Christy here from Crimbo's Chronicles. It's moving day. We got to leave Moab and head to Monument Valley. Lots of fun stuff there. We've got about a 2.5-hour drive. Jimbo just gassed up the Jeep, so we had a discount thing from the grocery store, so he got gas here, and he's about to hook that up to the camper, and we're gonna leave. So let's go. Christy here from Crimbo's Chronicles with the amazing view of Monument Valley from our campsite. We are in Monument Valley, Utah, and we're going to go explore some stuff, and I made it dark on us, sorry. It was just so you could see the view. Lots of major views here, mountains in every direction. See back here? Yep. Can't beat it. It felt like everybody in the campground was staring at me just now, so let's hit the road and do some fun adventures today. Look what we found. Mexican Hat Rock. We're in Mexican Hat, Utah. So we pulled out our hats. They're not necessarily Mexican hats, but cool enough. How amazing is it that that thing never falls off? Yet we see rock slides everywhere, right?
As time will come.
Yeah, well, we're lucky enough to have seen this twice in our lifetime, and it's still balancing up there. Good old Mexican Hat Rock. So cool. Jimbo's taking us on a little off-road adventure again. All in the name of Mexican hat. Right here. Okay. Okay, Mexican hat in the background. Jeep in the foreground. Jimbo is walking down. I'm gonna follow him down to the San Juan River, which flows through near Monument, but not through, but near Monument Valley. I don't think it's through. Such a beautiful morning. It's gonna get warm today, isn't it? Feels like it could just be a perfect day. Oh, it's flowing. It smells weird, salty. It's not salty, right? It's fresh water. Can't be. Is there any sea glass? River glass? You want to stick your feet in it? So pretty. And these are campsites right here. At least this one is. We parked at another campsite. This is the kind of playing around I dig. We just parked somewhere and explore our own spot. I love it. I like the sound of the water along this. Oh yeah. And the buggies. Into the thick of it. What are these little fuzzies? They're soft. I don't know what they are. I see a lizard. He blends in. All right, a little panoramic view before we leave. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that was the San Juan River. And there's a lucky camper. They got a good spot. So now we're gonna take a ride through Valley of the Gods. Off-road. Let me read this sign. Valley of the Gods. BLM land. Monticello. I guess we're doing that. Seeing all that? This sign is blurry, it's not me. Again, in the desert, cluster of trees. Means there's water. Sometimes you get lucky and you find a hot spring. But this is probably a wash where when it rains, it accumulates down there. Maybe there was a river, maybe there is a river, I don't know. I see trees and no water, so it must be where the rain accumulates in this little ravine. Look at this rock, it's just balanced there. It's just precariously sitting there. Okay, here we have Battleship Rock. Can you see it? Jimbo loves them switchbacks. Here we go. Look at these views. We just came in off that road. Valley of the Gods ended right there. And now we are on the side of a mountain. Let's see what the view is on the other side of this giant. Oh, all of that was the Valley of the Godsville where we came from. Wow. What a view. And we got to continue on with the switchbacks. Switchbacks. Woohoo! Well, it sounds like I'm the one that likes the switchbacks. I don't mind them. I don't want to hike them. That's all I'm saying. It's weird because you're looking right at the mountain and you don't see the road unless there's a car on it. So strange. And he looks so tiny compared to the size of it. That's a cool view of where we came from. Look at that. Some of the switchbacks. We're at the highest point now. Oh, look at that raven. Valley of the Gods. That giant anthill in the middle. There's a wrecked car off the cliff. There's also that other wreckage we saw before is over there, right there. I'd stick my finger in the picture. It's right there. All right, that's cool. This guy is too long for this. Oh, I guess they don't have signs up top saying you can't make it down here. Did they? I don't know. But we're at an impasse, so this is the viewpoint, the highest viewpoint here. Oh, look at her. She's good. Oh. Yeah. He's got it now. He's got it. Good. All right, this is where we're gonna close it out. Jumbo and I are sitting outside here watching the sun set. Got the GoPro on time lapse, so we will show you right now.